This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. I'll be using this beautiful bright orange from M Studio, along with this holographic gold glitter mix, also by M Studio, and then my favorite top coat, a matte finish by Sinful Colors. I'll also be using all of these different color finishes in matte by Sinful Colors. There's also a rose gold metallic polish by LA Girl, and I'll add a couple of gold embellishments. Hey everybody! Hey NailTubers! I hope all of you are doing well today, and welcome to today's Bougie Nails on a Budget. This set will be a very fast and easy DIY set. So I start out with this bright orange from M Studio. This polish was super affordable at $2.99 at Meier's. I didn't realize it was a sheer polish, but it's okay. I just added more coats because I needed it to be opaque. I'm adding that matte top coat on this nail from the start and letting it dry. I'm going for a certain look that I had in mind. When applying glitter polish, I tend to use a makeup sponge. The sponge absorbs all of the clear, which makes it possible to apply the glitter more densely and evenly. But remember not to overdo it, especially with a medium to chunky glitter like this. Otherwise, it'll tend to get clumpy. By the way, this is also an M Studio polish for $2.99 at Meier's. I think it's so beautiful. It's still looking too sheer, so I add another coat. Now that the matte top coat is dry, I use variations in sizes of dotting tools. I start making dots on the matte finish, and remember the dot colors are matte as well. I place them randomly in various sizes. I'm going for a dimensional look here, like there's layers and layers of dots. So once I let this dry, I add more top coat covering the first layer of dots. And then I go in with more smaller dots and finish with the rose gold metallic in dots. I feel like the dotted design complements the sparkling colors in the glitter. This nail is already turning out the way I visioned it. As I put the matte top coat on, it makes the dots that are already painted appear to be floating in the background. A little more glitter just to cover up the areas that look a little thinned out. Once the set is finished with a glossy top coat, except the matte nail of course, I add a round gold ring. Just something very simple and not to overwhelm the design. And then at the last minute I decided to add 2 little stones to almost look like they're orbiting the ring. And that's it, y'all. So simple, so sweet, and so colorful. I hope you liked this. And if you did, you should hit the like button and leave me a comment. What do you think of this set? Cute, right? Don't wait any longer to subscribe to my channel. I have so many more things on the way, and I can't wait to see you again.